Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious sushi mango. First, let's prepare the foundation, the rice. You'll need about 2 cups of perfectly cooked sushi rice, cooled to room temperature. Then, gently fold in a mixture of 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This seasoning is crucial for authentic flavor and texture. Next, let's focus on our star ingredient, the mango. Choose a ripe, firm mango, as this will provide the best flavor and hold its shape well. Carefully peel the skin away, then slice the mango into thin, even strips, approximately 1/8 of an inch thick. These precise cuts are key for a beautiful and balanced sushi roll. Now for the exciting part, rolling your sushi. Lay 1 sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Spread about 3/4 of a cup of seasoned rice evenly over 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. Then, arrange your thinly sliced mango strips and any other favorite fillings across the rice. Finally, let's finish and serve your beautiful mango sushi. To get clean cuts, moisten a very sharp knife before each slice. Carefully cut the roll into 6 to 8 equal, bite-sized pieces. Arrange them artfully on a plate and serve immediately with traditional accompaniments like soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a touch of wasabi for an extra kick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.